Celina-Ant Commercial Truck Manufacturing Co., Limited, established in 2014. It is located in Liangshan, China, the largest commercial vehicle trading base in Asia. Ant Truck holds the first official authorization from Sinotruk. It has been awarded titles such as a governing unit of the Commercial Vehicle Professional Committee of the China Automobile Dealers Association. We have a full business chain, and we focus on commercial truck export services. Ant Truck is mainly engaged in various high-quality dump trucks, tractor trucks, as well as various high-quality special-purpose trucks, and so on. The company has a 5,000 square meter showroom. There are over 700 trucks in real-time inventory. The quality is superior, and the condition of the truck is truly visible. Choose Ant Truck means choosing professionalism, quality, and trust. Buy a reliable truck. Come to Ant Truck.